Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands at the forefront of 3D laser scanning technology, offering unparalleled services in Dubai and across the UAE. This cutting-edge technology has revolutionized various industries by providing highly accurate, detailed, and efficient data capture for complex structures and environments. The company's state-of-the-art 3D laser scanners can rapidly collect millions of data points, creating precise digital representations of physical objects and spaces with millimeter-level accuracy. These high-fidelity 3D models serve as invaluable assets for architects, engineers, and construction professionals, enabling them to make informed decisions, optimize designs, and streamline project workflows. The applications of Scon Design's 3D laser scanning services are diverse and far-reaching. In the realm of architecture and construction, these scans facilitate accurate as-built documentation, allowing for seamless renovations and retrofits of existing structures. For historical preservation projects, the technology captures intricate details of heritage sites, aiding in their restoration and digital archiving. In the industrial sector, 3D laser scanning proves indispensable for plant layout optimization, equipment installation planning, and quality control processes. The oil and gas industry benefits from these services through enhanced pipeline mapping and facility management, while urban planners utilize the technology for comprehensive city modeling and infrastructure development. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart is their team of highly skilled professionals who possess extensive experience in handling complex scanning projects across various sectors. Their expertise, coupled with the latest in 3D laser scanning hardware and software, ensures the delivery of superior quality results that meet and exceed client expectations. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in their continuous investment in the most advanced scanning technologies, allowing them to tackle projects of any scale or complexity with precision and efficiency. The advantages of choosing Scon Design for 3D laser scanning services are manifold. Their rapid data collection capabilities significantly reduce on-site time, minimizing disruptions to ongoing operations. The comprehensive nature of the scans eliminates the need for multiple site visits, saving both